I like my dad. I am like my dad. I look like my dad. Oh my God, why are they so alike? Did you know that like has 15 different meanings? Let's learn them one by one. All right, the first meaning, like the first sentence, the first example, I like my dad. So it's here like is a verb and it means enjoy. For example, it means love. For example, love, like. I love my dad. I like coffee. It means I enjoy coffee. It's my favorite drink. And like is a verb here, so it can take S. She likes her job. It can take ed for the past. I liked the movie last night. So this is for number one. Like is a verb. It means enjoy. Number two, I am like my dad. Here, like is not a verb. And before like, we use am is are. I am like my dad. She is like her friend. So here, like means the same as, similar to. So I am like my dad means I am the same as my dad. I am similar to my dad. And number three, again, I look like my dad. Again, this one means I am similar to my dad. I am the same as my dad. So here you might have a question. What is the difference between number two and number three? Because you said both of them mean the same as. Yeah. Number two, I am like, means you are the same as somebody in your personality. Your behavior is like somebody. But number two, look like means your appearance, your face. Listen to the example. When you say, I am like my father, it means my behavior. I am like my father, we are both very kind. Okay? So, my father is very serious and I'm like my father. So, am like or is like, we use it for behavior and personality. But look like for appearance. For example, she looks like her mom. They are both very beautiful. Looks like, appearance. I look like my brother. We are both tall. Or I am tall like my brother. So this is the difference between I am like and I look like. Now, the next meaning. Listen to the example. I enjoy outdoor activities like camping and fishing. Here, like means, for example, fishing and camping, all right? I eat fruits like apples and bananas, like, for example. He plays sports like football and soccer. So sometimes like means, for example. Number five, he talks like he knows everything. Here, like means it seems. He talks like he knows everything. Means when he talks, it seems that he knows everything. Okay? So listen. Don't do that. Don't sit there. Hey, don't touch it. I behave like I am the boss here. Don't do that. Don't touch it. I feel that I am the boss. So my behavior shows that I am the boss. So I behave like I'm the boss. It seems. It means it seems that I am the boss. So sometimes like means it seems. Or he spends money like he's rich. He spends a lot of money. It seems that he is rich. He spends money like he's rich. Number six, I'd like a coffee. I'd like is the short form of I would like. It means I want. But it's politer. It's not always polite to say I want. I'd like is politer. I'd like a coffee. Would you like some coffee? I'd like some water. Number seven, feel like. Feel like means you are in the mood of doing something. You want something now. You enjoy something now. So If you say, I like pizza, it means all the time. It's your favorite food. But if you say, I feel like pizza, it means now. Now I feel like eating pizza. Okay, this is the difference. So now you are in the mood. I feel like doing nothing today. It means I'm not in the mood of doing anything. And after feel like, if you have a verb, it takes ing. I feel like running now. I feel like going on a picnic. Do you feel like eating pizza? Number 8. What's the weather like? Imagine I am in London and you are in New York. I'm talking to you. So, what's the weather like in New York? What's the weather like means how is the weather? Describe the weather. So, when you ask someone to describe something or somebody, you can use what's that thing or that person like. What's the weather like means describe the weather. So you got a new job. Congratulations. What's your new job like? It means describe your new job. So you're going to an English class. So what's your English teacher like? It means describe your English teacher. Or you could use it for the past. You went to a party last night. So what was the party like? What was the party like last night? So we use it to ask people to describe something for us. Number 9. This one is very common among teenagers and young people. Listen, she was like, oh my God. She was like, oh my God. When they want to say something or act something like someone, we use like. So when you say she was like, oh my God, it means she said, oh my God. Or I am acting. She was like, oh my God, I'm acting what she did. So sometimes like means to say or to act something. Listen. He was like, I can't believe it. Now I act. He was like, oh, I can't believe it. No, no, no. I'm acting what he said. Okay? Or I was like, that's amazing. Now look, I was like, oh, that's amazing. I'm acting. So here, in this case, when you use like in this situation, it means you are saying what someone else said, or you are acting what someone else did. I was like, oh my God. Number 10, he's like always late. Here in this sentence, he is like always late. Like is a filler. It means it has no meaning. It adds no meaning to the sentence. So he is like always late means he is always late. It's a filler. Sometimes when we are speaking, it's very informal. We use it in spoken English. When we are thinking, when we are talking, we need some time to think and find some words. Okay, so he's like always late. It means he's always late. So, it was like really fun. It was really fun. It doesn't add anything to the sentence. The sentence is correct without like. It was like really fun. It was really fun. Nothing changes. She's like super busy these days. She is super busy. She is very busy these days. So sometimes we use like in a sentence, but it has no meaning. It doesn't add anything to the sentence. Number 11, we have the same likes and dislikes. Here, like is a noun. Likes. It means your favorite things, things you like to do, things you enjoy. His likes are very simple. It means the things that he like are very simple. My likes are the same as your likes, the things that I like. We talked about our likes and dislikes. I met a new girl the other day. We went on a date and we talked about our likes and dislikes. 12. It's likely to rain. Here the meaning is totally different. Likely means possible or expected. So you look at the sky, oh, you see a lot of clouds in the sky. So it's likely to rain. It's possible to rain. there is a chance that it may rain. But likely is a bit formal. We don't use it in everyday speaking English a lot. It's okay, but it's rather formal. So she's likely to arrive late. It means maybe she arrives late. It's possible that she arrives late. It will be likely to snow. You're talking about tomorrow. Am I likely to pass the exam? It means, is there a chance that I pass the exam? The opposite is unlikely. So likely means possible, unlikely means not possible, not expected. So you look at the sky, it's sunny. No, it's very unlikely to rain today because it's sunny, okay? It's unlikely that he will come. It means I don't think that he will come. It's not possible. There's no chance. She's unlikely to agree. You're going to talk to your mom about something, but she's unlikely to agree. It means I don't think that she will agree. There's no chance that she will agree. And likelihood. Likelihood means possibility, the chance of doing something. Listen to the example. There is a high likelihood of rain tomorrow. This is very formal. We rarely use it in speaking, okay? There is a high likelihood of rain tomorrow. It means it's likely to rain tomorrow. What is the likelihood of success? It means how possible is it for us to become successful? So what is the likelihood of success? Number 13, they think alike. Alike means similar, but we use it in the end of the sentence as an adverb. So they think alike means they think the same as each other. Or twins are alike. So alike means very similar. The two friends behave alike. It means behave the same as each other. Number 14, she's very likable. Likable means lovely, someone you can easily like. Okay, listen to the example. He's a very likable person. It means you can easily talk to him, and everyone loves him. Everyone likes him. Likable. The main character is very likable. The main character of the movie is very likable. Means most viewers, most people who watched the movie like the main character. So he's very likable. And 15, last but not least, unlike. Unlike means different from. Unlike my sister, comma, I'm very shy. It means my sister is very sociable and outgoing and has lots of friends. But unlike my sister, different from my sister, I'm very shy. Okay? Or you could change the sentences. Listen, unlike my sister, I'm very shy. Or I'm very shy, unlike my sister. You can change it. Unlike him, I prefer staying home. It means he wants to go out, but I want to stay home. So unlike him, I prefer to stay home. Unlike last year, this year is very busy. Last year we weren't busy, but unlike last year, this year we are very busy. So these were the all 15 meanings for the word like. I hope from now on you never confuse them. And take care. See you soon.